Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another video, and today when I talk about keto or Cody and other stuff like that, today I'm talking about make my online practices. So one thing I have noticed about my online business and specifically my YouTube channel is I stopped making videos for a good while. I just started back maybe a month ago, but a month ago I didn't make YouTube videos. I stopped for a good while, and I noticed when I stopped making videos, my subscribers stopped subscribing. My views was steady but going up. My comments didn't get any comments. So I made a big change and I decided to do a video a day. And ever since then, I probably made about, I don't know, 30 videos, probably more, probably 40. And when I created, and then, when I did them 40 videos, my subscribers went up, my views went up, my comments went up. Now I'm up to 300 subscribers, so thank you for subscribing to my channel. Everything is going up. So the principle is you must keep creating content. You must create content, especially on YouTube channel, your blog. You must create content. You have to continue to do content. So my goal is to do a video a day, every day. To do one video a day. It could be like I'm doing now, and just sitting there talking about what I'm doing about myself. But that's what I've been doing lately, just creating content. I notice I do a video a day, my channel gets more views, I get more subscribers, and it's more traffic to my YouTube channel. And my ultimate goal is make $1,000 a month from YouTube. But again, if you want to start a YouTube channel, if you're not getting the subscribers, if you're not getting the views, the one thing you must do is keep creating content. Keep creating videos. Do a video a day. Do 2 videos a day. Do 3 videos a day. Do a video a day. Sometimes I do 2 videos a day, and I might skip a day. I did 2 videos, okay? Or I do 2 videos Monday, or I do 1 Tuesday. Just keep creating videos, okay? And then with my channel, it's all over the place. The playlist. I do video game videos. I do my keto diet video. How about keto? I do a lot of different stuff. I do how to jailbreak your Fire Stick. I've done bowling videos. I've done a lot of different stuff. I've done make my online products. I've done a lot of different things. And the gurus tell you how to make money online on YouTube, they say you gotta have a channel specifically for this. You usually have 4 different channels. I'm like, I'm not doing that crap. This channel is based on me. This channel is my life, what I've done for myself, my interests, my diet, my family, how I do a family. I do videos about that also. I do videos about me. It's all about me and me advertising stuff and me doing this diet and have my blog and make money online tips and how to increase traffic and how to jailbreak your Fire Stick. That's the stuff I do on a regular basis. So why not put that on YouTube? And that's content. Somebody wants to do keto. Somebody wants to make money online. Somebody wants to jailbreak the Fire Stick. And that's what I've done. So if you don't know what to create content on, whatever you're doing, it don't always have to be based on what you're doing. So if you're doing cars, for example, and you're doing your YouTube video on cars, you go do different things. Do you. If you're on a diet, do that. Expand. You have to create content. That's the whole thing about it. You have to create content. And since I've been creating more content, since I started my keto diet, I got way more comments. I got way more views. So the trick is with YouTube, the number one trick is you have to create content. That's it. You have to create videos on a regular basis or on a frequency that you're comfortable with. Me, once a day, me going to my car during my lunch break, put on my cell phone, hit record and talk about my diet for 5 minutes is easy. It's easy. It's not hard at all. That's pretty much it for this video. If you want to make money online with a blog or a YouTube channel or an email list, you have to do it every day. And I'm slacking in that department. Well, from emails, I do email every day, but you know, if you have a blog on a YouTube channel, you create a 5-minute video and post it on your blog. So I try to do a blog post every day, and I do a video a day. So I post my video on my blog. And then check this out. When I started doing a video a day for the last month, I post that video on my blog. Did you know that the traffic to my blog is increased? I was going like, I just started my blog a long time ago, but I was getting maybe 20, 30 hits a day. And once I'm doing video a day and posting on my blog, now I'm up to 30 a day. It's gone up in traffic. It gone down some, but it's gone up. And that's because I post every day. I post a video on my blog, on YouTube every day. That's why. Now, if I ain't posting in, say, a month, you think I'm going to still get 40 or 50 views every day? Probably not. With this blog, YouTube channel, email list, you have to do it every day. And I try to do my stuff on a Monday, knock all it out, you know, timestamp all of my work, timestamp all my blog posts. I got a blog post that lasts me a month. So all I gotta do is sit back and just relax. I can do YouTube videos in my email list. Just timestamp everything. So this is Ty for thexking.com. Give you a little bit of how to increase views on YouTube and your blog. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.